If you want to add your own wallpapers to lock screen magazine on OPPO Find X9, then in that case we can go to settings. Over here we're gonna choose home screen, lock screen and style. Now we're gonna swipe up over here and you should be able to find lock screen settings. Then we're gonna go to lock screen magazine and finally in here open carousel wallpaper settings. Over here we have the section where we can manage our own wallpapers. So we can press on add and we can choose add from photos. And over here now from this gallery we can choose photos that should be used for the wallpaper carousel. So let's say I'm gonna choose these wallpapers over here and also this one. Let's tap on done. And there we go. They will be displayed randomly, of course. And if you want to, you can also disable every other category that you may have selected over here in preferences. So if we go to carousel mode, we can only allow the lock screen magazines to show these wallpapers that we added ourselves. So now if I go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have different wallpapers of our own choice. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.